Hi everyone, cook with me today. Today I'm making Otigo, one of the most delicious meals in my culture. We are going to be preparing it with intestines, but it's not a must. You can use chicken, meat, fish, depending on what you like. I'm going to be using soda ash, salt, tomatoes, the Otigo, which is the leaf, add those spices, garlic, onions. So let's start off by putting oil in a pan, chopping our vegetables, the garlic, green pepper, putting the meat in a saucepan, pouring our vegetables. After pouring our vegetables, we are going to add water, a generous amount, because this needs to cook. Then we shall also go ahead and add our salt. Salt is very important, so guys, don't forget. We are going to go ahead and prepare our Otigo like that. After you're done preparing, you're going to chop. After chopping them, you're going to wash. In this video, our intestines have already cooked, so here we have already chopped and washed our Otigo. So we are going to prepare our soda ash like that in water. After that, we're going to put a pan of boiling water, pour our soda ash like that. Then we are going to go ahead and put our chopped and washed Otigo to boil in the water with the soda ash. Put a little amount of water, not too much, because this plant produces its own soup like that. So you can see, make sure it boils like that until yellow. Then in the other pan with intestines, we are going to add tomatoes like this. After adding our tomatoes, we are going to cook the tomatoes until ready. Then add our spices, that is Royco, in different brands. Mix your spices until it is completely mixed. Here our Otigo is ready, and our other dish is also ready. So you're going to pour the Otigo in the intestines. So here I had already poured and it's already cooking. I put some chili because my man loves chili. He's a chili person. So guys, after that, you're even almost done. You're going to let your Otigo cook for some 10 to 15 minutes just to allow the ingredients mix together. So this is my food. It's ready, and trust me guys, this was very delicious. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos, I have a YouTube channel where I'm going to be posting my cooking hacks and everything. Thank you so much for watching. See you next